Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant and enter Lock Screen. Make sure that this function is enabled and now go to Voice Match. Also enable this function. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
There will be showers with a high of 49 and a low of 44.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.